Alright, here we go. As requested. There we go, that's it. Zoom in a little bit more. Not really. Do this. /15. 4/15. Something to do with those numbers would tell us what it is, I suppose. M39A/15. Sorry about the light. I need to get a portable light. That'll do. I don't know if it has, doesn't sound like it has tissue paper. Oh yes, cat, go away. I have a cat in my way now. Go away. What are you doing? Oh, for God's sake, bloody cats. I think that'll be the end. But I should open it. That leaves the number intact. If something rips. Let's have a look. There we go. Don't want to damage it too much. Being careful. There we go. What's that number?